Hello everybody, we're doing our Poopsie surprise magic slime kit.
Yeah.
I'm Elizabeth's daddy, and this is...
Elizabeth.
So we've already opened some of our kit.
Yep.
We found out, who do we got here? What was her name? Bunday.
Bunday.
She's a disco doo-doo.
Yep.
And she's just a regular, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've already opened up some of our stuff. We got a chocolate milkshake, our Bunday, our measuring cup, and here we got our magic scent. So first things first, we're going to take the lid off of our sundae cup.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Good deal. All right. Now we got to fill this cup up twice, it says. Okay.
Okay.
So here, I'll pour the water in this cup to measure. And now you pour it into the milkshake. Yep. Don't spill it. There we go. Good job. One more time. This is going to be so freaking cool.
Yeah. So.
All right, your turn. Put the water in there.
Okay.
Be careful. Don't spill. Don't spill. There we go. All right. So next it says we've got, no, not yet. We've got to add 5 drops of the surprise scent into the bottle. Okay. So let's go ahead and open up this bottle here.
Yep. So, did you know that I'm afraid of monsters? Right? Put your thumbs up if hit the surprise this Poopsie supply button so you can subscribe and watch this again. Okay?
Yeah, let's subscribe. That sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just gotta type the Poopsie Slime Surprise button down below this video when we're done. And then you can watch it again. Okay? That's how it works.
Right.
And did you know that I'm afraid of monsters?
Yep. All right, here we go. You ready?
Put your thumbs up to
You ready? Let's do our 5 drops. You ready?
again. Yeah.
All right. You count it out for me, okay? I'm going to do the 5 drops. You count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There we go. All right, let's put our lid on it. There we go. Now we're going to tear open the unicorn food packet and pour the powder into the bottle.
Hey.
Unicorn food.
Okay.
Unicorn food.
Yep.
All right, let's see how we open it here. All right, Elizabeth, you're going to pour it in there, right?
Yep.
All right.
It's going to look so cool in the bag.
So wait, be careful, okay? You see the hole of the bag. Pour it all in. Oh, be careful, don't spill it. There we go. Is that all gone?
Yep.
All right, we'll put it over in our trash pile. Oh man, it's doing a whole bunch of stuff over there, isn't it? Make sure we get all of it out here. Leave it there. Leave it there. Okay, leave it there. All right. Now we're going to tightly close the lid. Put the lid on here.
Yep.
Is it on there? Good and tight. Good deal. We're going to hold the lid and rapidly shake the bottle up and down for 1 minute. Then let the mixture sit for 10 minutes to allow the slime to harden. You ready?
Yep.
All right. We're probably going to speed this part of the video up because I mean it's kind of a long time. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake my baba. Shake my baba. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake my baba. Shake my baba. Oh man. Has it been a minute yet?
Yep.
All right. Now it says to Let the slime mixture sit for 10 minutes to allow the slime to harden. So we'll be right back in 10 minutes. Don't you go nowhere.